Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going into Ace hardware and kind of my thoughts on them, as well as a walkthrough. Now it's a really quick walkthrough just because Ace really isn't the place that I go for my tool needs. I stop in there maybe a couple times a year just to see if they've changed anything, just to see if they have any real good deals. I don't really ever find any great deals there. I'm better off finding them online, or just, Home Depot or Lowe's. I find better deals at. Whereas Ace, I don't tend to find those great deals. So I just kind of ran through the tools. It's more like a quick look at some of their tools, not really showing you any fantastic deals or anything like that, but I kind of wanted to discuss Ace hardware and your guys' thoughts as well. So please share your thoughts about Ace hardware down below if you've ever dealt with them or if you've never dealt with them before. I do want to mention that I feel like the prices are a little bit higher there than you would find at Lowe's and Home Depot, but they do have a rewards program. They also do military discounts, so I know Lowe's and Home Depot does that as well, but they also have their rewards program, which is free. When you sign up for the rewards program, they send you information and advertisements of things coming up. For every $1 that you spend, you get 10 points, and then every time you get 2,500 points, that is $5 back, or a $5 reward that they'll mail you. So basically every $250 you spend, you're getting $5 back to you sent in the mail in like little coupons. And they will send you coupons as well. So you'll get, like, after you spend $250, you'll get your $5 coupon, as well as 20% off an item this price or lower, things like that. It is nice that they have a rewards program, but that is a return of 2%. So it's really not that great. You're better off actually just going and joining the military and getting 10% off. No, I'm just kidding. That'd be excessive. But man, be a pretty good recruiter, I'm not gonna lie. No, for real, when you sign up, you get 1,000 free points. So you still need another 1,500 points before you get $5 off. That's it. The prices, I feel, are a little bit higher. The rewards are decent if you can get the military discount. Otherwise, that rewards one it's okay. At least it's something, but still not the greatest. It'll probably bring it down to roughly what the prices of the tools are other places. So getting into the warranties and returns. Now, this isn't something I really deal with or have dealt with, because I personally don't really buy from Ace. If I need some random thing and I'm buy, I'll stop there, but I don't go, I need this, let me run to Ace. That's just not my go-to for tools, I should say. Nothing against them, that's just not where I like to shop for my tools. So as far as the warranty and returns, I will be posting up pictures. Hopefully you can see some of that. If you guys know more in-depth information, I try to do a little bit of research and find this out and try and understand it a little bit. But if there's more information that you guys know of, please drop it down in the comments. They do accept returns for up to 1 year from the purchase date. So if you bought it January 5th, it's good until next January 5th. You either have to have your receipt, use a credit card so they can track the credit card, or use your rewards number. If you do not do one of those three things, if you don't save your receipt that's already faded the next week and you can't read it anyways, or if you didn't use a credit card or you didn't use your rewards program number, then they won't give you cash back and accept the return. They may accept the return and issue you a gift card. Now, that gift card is only going to be for the amount that that tool was sold for at its lowest price in the last 90 days. So if you bought this tool for $150, you had it for 6 months, but in the last 3 months or the last 90 days, if it sold for $100 or $110, they would only give you a gift card for that amount if you did not have your receipt, credit card information, or anything like that to where they could track the purchase. So I really feel like some of these stores that still have this style should really get with the time. A lifetime warranty is a lifetime warranty. I understand if it's not lifetime warranty. If I buy it, that's my own bad. But if something comes with a lifetime warranty, honor the warranty. It's very simple. Or just don't put it on your tools. And then they also have an exclusion. There's a couple of exclusions for gas-powered equipment and stuff like that, but there's an exclusion for tools made by Craftsman over $150. So that's all it really says in there on the site. So I don't know if like that's like if you buy something over $150, like you're out of luck or what. They don't really go all that in depth. Now, before getting into the clips, I also want to discuss just some of the horrible rumors that I've heard as far as the warranty process. I know a guy that purchased some of the Ace brand tools, which carry a lifetime warranty. He came to find out that a lot of the independent or Ace stores are independently owned. So when he went in to replace this worn out tool, Ace said they will not honor the warranty because they are independently owned and they do not have to honor the Ace agreement. So they told him to call corporate or Ace's corporate number and talk to them about getting it warrantied. They told him that they don't really do anything, that it is really up to him to find an Ace hardware that would honor the Ace warranty. I don't know if anybody else has experienced that, but that just blew my mind. For one, I don't think I knew that Ace was independently owned for each store, as well as that I would be pretty upset. I'd probably just never shop there again. But I haven't, the few tools that I have bought from there, it'd just be like a pair of pliers here. Maybe I picked up a set of channel lock there. I never bought a lot of tools from there. So I don't really have any complaints because I haven't broken any of those. Even if I did, I wouldn't remember that I bought them from Ace Hardware. So that's all the information I have on Ace Hardware. I haven't personally had any bad experiences with them, but the warranties seem like, warranties and returns kind of seem like a joke. But then again, I'm hoping some of you guys have actually dealt with that and can share that information with the other viewers below. Other than that, I'm just gonna run through the store real quick. We'll kind of go through maybe some tools that I would be interested in. I'll show you the power tools or cordless tools just real quick. One thing I did notice is they didn't really have any bundles. It was all individual tools, no real good package deals like, a drill and impact driver combo. They had like two sets of drill and driver combos in the entire store out of like the 60 cordless tools that they had. So there wasn't that great of combo sets or anything over the 2-piece sets. So it is what it is. I still shop at Ace whenever I do need something if I'm in the area, but it's just not my go-to. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Is it your go-to? Have you had good experiences there, bad experiences? Any information on the warranty process? But other than that, let's get into actually walking through the store real quick, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. Okay, so first up, we're looking at some Craftsman and Ace nut drivers and screwdrivers, Torx, all fairly priced. I mean, it's some cheaper stuff. You got your Milwaukee stuff that ranges anywhere from $10 to $40. It's a little bit higher priced stuff. Milwaukee, I have always felt to be a little overpriced as far as hand tools. Cordless tools, I understand. Hand tools, not so much. Here's some more of the Ace tools. These are the things I would be afraid to warranty depending on the Ace and your relationship with them. But then again, they also have channel lock, which is priced really well. So I would consider buying channel lock pliers here at Ace. And then just some more of their Milwaukee pliers. These don't seem to be priced too bad, but once again, not a big Milwaukee hand tools fan. They do have some good stuff, but I always had to wait for it to go on sale. I do like their vice grips. I've had very good experiences with their vice grips. And then we got some of the Craftsman wrench sets over here. They're actually priced pretty decently. You got some of their old raised side wrenches and stuff, old school stuff, but made in China. And then you have the Ace and Gearwrench ratcheting wrenches, both priced really well, probably around the same quality. That's the China Gearwrench set that you saw up there, and these are just individual sockets that they have and some Craftsman ratchets. So it is nice that they sell those individually, so if you just have to grab one to replace or something like that, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg on a Craftsman socket set like you saw up there. Now these are actually priced really well. These are the Craftsman tools that I find to be priced pretty decently out of all of their hand tool lineup. Otherwise, Craftsman hand tools just are not my go-to at all. I used to love Craftsman, and I just can't get myself to pay some of these prices for some of these things that they're offering now. Not that they're bad tools, they're just, I feel as if they're overpriced. Here's some of their Milwaukee power tool lineup. Prices are decent. Most of these are a tool, battery, and bag combo, some being fuel, some not. The prices are decent, a little bit higher than what you would see in other stores. Here's their DeWalt 20-volt lineup that they have. Not a huge selection, but they did have a couple deals going on for $100, but you find those all the time. Other than that, they didn't really have any combo sets. Here's the Craftsman lineup, not a huge lineup of Craftsman stuff. Obviously, the Craftsman stuff, I believe, was the cheapest stuff, surprisingly. But here's all their corded tools. But like I was saying, I didn't see any combo sets. Just the drill and driver combos. There weren't any 3-piece, 4-piece, 5-piece, nothing like that. Here's an impact I would actually consider. The half-inch drive, mid-range, I'm actually looking at getting. I just got to wait to find it on sale. I believe they wanted $2 or $210 for that. And this is the one that I have. I've had really good luck with it. I didn't pay no $200 for it, but I've had really good experiences with it. Here's the Craftsman version of their impact driver. So, not too bad on the prices for cordless tools. Hand tools are a little expensive for what they are. Just kind of a closer look at some of the Milwaukee Tools and some of their prices. I was kind of trying to walk around people and stuff, so it got kind of annoying, but here's just some of their air tools or pneumatic air tools and stuff. I'll show you a closer up of the prices on these. The prices aren't terrible. They're around $60 for these impact sockets, but definitely not the best. But that's basically it, guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.